Hello and welcome to the Greenleaf Library. We are located in the 300 quad across from the Student Services building. The library's operating hours for the spring and fall semesters will be Monday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Tuesday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Wednesday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Thursday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturday 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. We will be closed on Sundays. For the summer semester, the library will be open Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We will be closed Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. The library will continue to provide the usual services, only with a few rules for the safety of students, faculty, and staff. All students must bring a picture ID, wear a mask, and practice social distancing at all times in the library. There will be 15 computers available for use, and all 7 of the study rooms will be available, but will be limited to 1 student per room. If you need to work with another student or professor, speak with a librarian to get accommodation. Upon entering the library, you will find the circulation desk to your left. A student worker will be here to greet you and check your student ID. This is the location that you will check out and return your library books. The reserved textbooks can also be checked out from here. Behind the circulation desk is the library staff office, where staff is available to help you. The librarian's office is number 313 and is located next to the student computers. Student computers are available to use and have internet connection, as well as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and a variety of other software. Printing for students is free, but limited to 100 pages a day. And there is a copier in the library to scan textbook chapters to a USB drive that you can then email to yourself. Along the back wall of the library are 7 study rooms for student use. During COVID, only 1 student per room. At the center of the library is the reference desk. This is where the librarian will be available to help you with research, library workshops, and class assignments. To the right will be the stacks containing the library's circulating collection. These books are available for 3-week loan, which you can renew if you need more time. The library has eliminated overdue fines, but you may be blocked from registering for classes if you have long overdue materials. The books located on the short shelves are the reference materials and are for use in the library only. These books are a great starting point for research as they are written by experts in their fields. The periodical section is located to the right of the entrance. The library subscribes to a variety of magazines. The new issues are located in this section and cannot be checked out, but the back issues are located in the rear of the library and can be checked out for 3 weeks. Finally, in the rear corner is the Bagley Room. This room will be dedicated to displaying the student art here at CMC. Thank you for watching.